Okay, here we are at my lovely listing on Gonzales in Woodland Hills. I'm gonna take you through. Now, as a reminder, this is a 360 video. So you can look up, down, turn around. It's got a great mid-century vibe. I love this. So let's go in the living area first. One thing you'll notice is you got a little step down here and you can see the backyard, wide open living room. Beautiful. Sleek fireplace. We'll go to the backyard at the end. It's just amazing. This beautiful dining area. You can also go out to the backyard this way. Really nice wide kitchen. You know, it's not really your galley kitchen. It's wider. You've got Viking oven and stove. You got the KitchenAid, stainless steel. Beautiful countertops. It's a special kind of quartz. It kind of looks like marble. You've got your own laundry room. This, by the way, you could go out and enter the garage that direction if you want. Isn't this pretty? When you're in the kitchen, you can just see the backyard there. It's very nice. This is the 4th bedroom. They have it staged as a bedroom, but this could also be a really cool office. You also have the direct entry here, which I understand is good for tax purposes. This has a powder room. So you've got toilet and the sink, and then just to give you a sense of space, we're going back into the laundry room. Oops. Okay, now let's go to the rest of the house. So giving you a sense of space, living room, foyer, and then here we have 3 bedrooms, the primary and then 2 more secondary ones. Now this is the bathroom that is for the 2 bedrooms over here. So you got the lovely tile. By the way, all the windows are newer. The roof was put on like 5 years ago or less than like 2 years ago. They have this stage as an office. This is also a great office. And again, you've got a beautiful view. I love how they made a little sitting area out here. Isn't that cute? But you do have a closet, so it is a bedroom. You can do whatever you want here. There's this stage. There's a little kids room, so cute. Beautiful ceiling fans. The windows are great. Now let's go and check out the primary. Primary is a very nice size. As you can see, we have really large furniture in here and it doesn't feel crowded at all. And I love the way that window is, like in the top half. Lets in a lot of light. It's very private with the trees outside. Here you have the primary bathroom. So toilet, vanity, beautiful fixtures, and mirror. And then let me close this to give you a sense of everything. Isn't that cute? And then a really nice shower. So you have the tub in the other bathroom, you have the shower here, and then of course you have the powder room off the laundry so that guests don't have to come into either one of these if you don't want. All right, let's finish up with the backyard. These sliders are so beautiful. Of course, everything's dual pane, very high quality. This is probably where I'd spend most of my time. Every meal here, weather permitting. Of course, it's Southern California, so weather is almost always permitting. And look at this backyard. This pool is so sweet. You can lounge, place a little cornhole over there, another chill space. Let me just turn around to give you a full sense of it. What a great house. You got low irrigation plants here. Let's come over here and take a look. All right. This is it. If you'd like to take a look in person, let me know. I'm happy to show you. Thanks for watching.